Afternoon all, and welcome to the live room summary for New York session on Wednesday the 25th of March. Getting closer to April. Easter's just around the corner. Looking forward to stuffing myself with chocolate. But anyway, let's get into business today. What did we identify? Well, we identified just about here that Euro was going to be bouncing off this 4-hour 20 moving average. You can see that, my little dark brown line there. It did start to fall, and what did cable do? Cable started to move up a little bit. So with Euro falling off quite heavily, pound dollar just falling off very gently, almost like a trickle, what's that going to do to Euro sterling? Well, Euro sterling fell down quite pleasantly. Not massive points, but just nice to see a nice steady flow of red candles. I do believe that our mate James was in at 92.60 sort of region, 92.70 maybe. He brought that to the attention of the group because it's not something I usually cover. We just usually look at the yen pairs. But he brought it to the attention of the group, asked what we thought. We said, well, let's have a little look at the analysis. We noticed, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottoms. Tested this 92.50 level. Not once, not twice, but 5 times. So as that come through there, bang, we're in that. Target 1 being your 15-minute 20. Target 2 was the pivot. Target 3 and 4 down here somewhere. However, I failed to collect anything. A few of the guys got a few pips. But then what happened? 5 minutes prior to new home sales coming out, better than expected. I repeat, better than expected, yes. 5 minutes before, the news has leaked, and bang, stop loss was up at 70. And I got taken out. One of them things, unfortunate, I can't cater for news leaks, unfortunately, but most of the guys, they're taking their profit, move their stops to break even, and taking a hit on just the final, or not say taking a hit, but taking oh, look what's going on now, it's going absolutely bananas. Taking a hit, they actually got out break even the last 25%, which is nice. But anyway, that was that. What else do we look at? Looked at dollar yen, potential of dollar yen. If I could get a dollar yen chart. It's taking its time. Can't get any dollar yen charts, so I'm just going to have to commentate this one. So we looked at dollar yen through the 97.80 level, obviously much prior to before the news come out. It did break out through that 80, it did retrace a little tiny bit, and it did try and take out the pivot. Oh, here we go, look. Let's see if we can enlarge that, then I'll run you through it. Okay, so it did break through our 80 level here. There it spiked through. You can see everything's in order. We've got the little squeeze coming up from my 60-minute 20, my 60-minute 50. It's getting boxed in, getting close, bam, it breaks out through there, hits through the 80. First target for everybody is going to be this pivot. Some people have taken 20 pips on there. Well done, Graham, I know you did. And then again, so people moving their stop losses. I mean, it was only like a 10-point, 20-point risk anyway. But then what's happened? It started falling down, looking to build, looking for the support. Now, what was the resistance to become the support? Looking for that to start turning. Can you see the one green candle there? Thought that was going to pop through, tackle this level, this 98.35. What happens? Drops 100 points. Not even as a result of the news, ladies and gentlemen, 5 minutes before the news. I heard a rumour that someone was talking about Russian army attacking someone, but I'm not at liberty to comment on that. I don't have any of that information. But that stumped a few people. But a couple of winning trades. Just unfortunate on the news for those that did get caught out on their last bit of their portion of that particular trade. Otherwise, it would have been a nice, steady 50-point afternoon. But that's me for the day. I'll be back with some more fun and frolics same time tomorrow. I'll see you then.